Yes? Okay, now. Why did you give them the story?
I know.
But they take, no, they take it.
Because they have to tell us the story.
Yes, of course.
Okay? Okay, first let's
They're very
sit
well
down.
prepared to tell the
Let's sit down here. Okay. Yes, I was lost. I was lost already. Okay, ready? Now, who wants to go first? Let's do it this way. Michael, come here. Do you know how to throw the coin? Head or tail? Head or tail? Head, tail.
Is the first or
The first one?